Hi y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna do an intertwine loop. I saw this on one of the Spirit of Texas mum videos on TikTok, but I'm gonna add something to it after I get the intertwine loop done. So we're gonna make it to where you can add like letters, or show y'all how I add letters. Okay, so you're gonna cut 4-inch strips, and I did 10, but we'll see how many that makes in a minute, or how long that makes the end braid in a minute. Okay, and then I did 10 sets of these. So when I say 10, I mean 10 pairs. So I'm doing the flat side of the black facing this way, facing up, and then the shiny side on the back, and I'll show you why. Okay, because we're gonna put these together like this. And we're gonna staple them. Just one over the top of the other. And I try to get of course, the center piece in the center of the ribbon, and I'm using 7/8 inch in the black, and then this silver is 5/16. I don't know what numbers those are. I know how the ribbons are called number this, number that, so I don't know which number it is, but okay. And then put a staple there, and then I'll show you. I got this one a little bit off, but that's the nice thing about the staples. That gives us a little bit of leeway usually. So let's see here. Let's try it. There we go. All right. So I got it back in the center. Now, you're going to go over like this. So that's why I put the shiny side of the black facing out, or, you know, not covered by the silver, because you're basically showing half and half on each. And then when I do it, I just make sure that the top piece is actually just, you know, make sure it's taut, but not too tight where it buckles, if that makes sense. And we can trim those off in a minute. No worries about that. There we go. All right. And so now I'm going to staple here. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do it on that side. Well, it doesn't really matter, I guess. But, all right. I have all of them made now, all the loops. So now we're just going to go end to end, just like this. Line them up. I just double check the other side too to make sure it's lined up. And staple here. In here. And I see a little bit of a silver edge there. So I'm going to trim that. And here, and we're just gonna go right on down the line. Again, sometimes I'll glance at the back to make sure it's also thin. Getting close to the end here. Oh, again, see that little bitty end? I'm just gonna trim that because you will be able to see it right here. If I don't, you probably wouldn't notice that much, but you might as well. If you can catch it, you might as well. Okay, let's see how many of these did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 loops. And from end to loop end is 27 inches. Almost 27 inches. Yeah, right about. So if you were gonna hang it, you know, then you could probably just attach like a little, you know, piece of ribbon here, and then it could make it the correct length if you needed it to go all the way down, or you could always, you know, leave it like this. But what I was gonna do on here is add some letters to make it kind of a name chain, I guess. Whoops, I forgot this was attached to my camera stand. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so of course you can leave it like this and it's really pretty, but I was just gonna see if we changed it up a little bit and made it into a name chain, or really even if you made this one like to say homecoming, that would actually work really nicely if you just added one more loop. But I'm just gonna make a short name just for the purposes of the video. And I cut 4-inch strips of the 7/8 inch black ribbon, and I just attached just a little sticker letter. And then what I'm gonna do is just hot glue. I think I'm gonna start about here. I'm gonna hot glue, let's see. Yeah. See if I can get it to look right. We'll see what we think. Ooh, wait, or should we do it this way? Okay, if we do it like that, I don't know. Might actually not work very well, but let's just see. Okay, so here it is with the letters. Beth is the name because it's a short one. And that's what I wanted to do. And really probably you could leave it like that, but you could also add some bling here. So I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And yeah, so thank y'all, and please like and subscribe and share my videos if it helped you, or if you know someone that it might help. Thank y'all.